At markets and festivals, I've been asked several times how I do my logo. I use these. They're Underglaze stamp pads. They work really well with rubber stamps, and they can go on at the greenware stage, like you see here, and they can be applied on bisqueware as well, which helps if I just so happen to miss a piece before it goes into the kiln the first time. When I first bought them, I wasn't sure how long they would last, but I've been using them for over a year already, and I haven't had to do anything special to keep them from drying out. I just simply close them when I'm not using them. Sometimes I have to use my stamps to press and rub over the stamp pad surface, kind of like you would shake a pint of glaze to get all the chemicals and water mixed and properly workable. And my stamps I ordered from a website. I just sent in a couple designs I had made, and they custom made them to my designs. They weren't exactly cheap, but I would certainly say they were worth it. I don't do anything specific to maintain them. When I first got them, I dipped the wood part of the stamps in shellac just to give them a little more water durability, but even with that, I rarely ever wash them off. I just reuse them every time for the exact same stamp pads. I hope everyone enjoyed this, and I'll have a couple links in the description for where I got my stamps and where I got the stamp pads. As always, thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe or follow me on Facebook. It helps a lot.